चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे थर्ड बिट ऑफ दिस थर्ड प्रॉब्लम. And in this problem they said that there are 7 bats and 6 balls together 3008 rupees and 3 bats 5 balls together 1750 rupees. Whatever it may be, first of all let us assume that cost of one bat is equals to x rupees and cost of one ball is equal to y rupees. So with the help of given information we can write 7 bats is nothing but 7 into x plus 6 balls is nothing but 6 into y is equals to 3800 rupees. So that is what our first equation, and 3 bats 5 balls is nothing but 3x plus 5y is equals to 1750 rupees. So these are the two equations which we have formed with the help of this given information. Then we need to find the solution using substitution method. So when you take this first equation and transpose this 6y towards right side, you can write 3800 minus 6y. Then again if you transpose 7 also towards the right side, you will write finally x is equal to 3800 minus 6y by 7. Now this x value we have to substitute here in this equation 2. So in place of here x, if you write x value, you will get as shown here on the screen. So see here clearly, in place of x we have just written this value so that we can write as shown here on the screen. Now what is our duty? We need to simplify it. So for simplification purpose we need to take LCM. So 7 is the LCM. So when you take LCM here, you can write 7 5 are 35, and finally after simplification you will get y is equals to 50, and complete transposing and simplification you can see here on the screen. Now we got y value and we want to find x value also. So y is equals to 50 if you substitute in equation 1. See here we have substituted 7x plus 6y. So in place of y we have substituted y is equals to 50, then we got x is equals to 500. Now we got x value 500, y value 50 rupees. So what does it mean? It means cost of each bat we assumed x and its value is 500, and cost of each ball we assumed y and its value is 50 rupees. Hope you got good clarity on the solution which we have discussed.